What if I told you that the world's largest furniture empire was built by a dyslexic farm boy who started selling matches at age 5? Welcome back to Fuel of Hustlers, where we break down the most incredible success stories that will ignite your entrepreneurial fire. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the extraordinary journey of a man who revolutionized how the entire world shops for furniture. He began his story in poverty, armed with nothing but relentless determination and an eye for opportunity. This is the incredible story of Ingvar Kamprad and how he transformed a childhood side hustle into IKEA, the global furniture giant worth over $40 billion today. Picture this: rural Sweden, 1943. A 17-year-old boy receives a small sum of money as a reward for his good grades. While most teenagers would spend it on entertainment, Ingvar Kamprad saw something different: an opportunity. He registered a company called IKEA, combining his initials with the first letters of his family farm, Elmtaryd, and his hometown, Agunnaryd. What started as a mail-order business selling pens, wallets, and picture frames would soon become a furniture revolution. But Kamprad's journey wasn't smooth sailing. Growing up on a small farm, money was always tight. His father struggled to make ends meet, and young Ingvar learned early that survival meant finding creative solutions. At just 5 years old, he bought matches in bulk from Stockholm and sold them to neighbors at a profit. By age 7, he was selling fish, Christmas tree ornaments, and seeds. This wasn't child's play. This was survival entrepreneurship at its finest. The real breakthrough came in 1948 when Kamprad added furniture to his catalog. But here's where his genius really shined. Traditional furniture retailers marked up prices by enormous margins, making quality furniture a luxury for the wealthy. Kamprad saw an untapped market: ordinary families who wanted beautiful, functional furniture but couldn't afford the premium prices. His solution was revolutionary yet simple. He would design furniture that customers could assemble themselves, dramatically reducing manufacturing and shipping costs. In 1956, IKEA introduced flat-pack furniture, a concept that seemed crazy at the time. Who would want to build their own furniture? As it turned out, millions of people would. But Kamprad faced fierce resistance from established furniture dealers who tried to boycott his suppliers. Instead of giving up, he went directly to manufacturers in Poland and other Eastern European countries, securing better deals and higher quality products. His competitors' attempts to shut him down actually made IKEA stronger and more innovative. The first IKEA store opened in 1958 in Älmhult, Sweden. Kamprad insisted on keeping overhead costs minimal, using simple warehouse-style buildings instead of fancy showrooms. He personally tested every piece of furniture, often sleeping on beds and sitting in chairs for hours to ensure quality. His obsession with cost-cutting was legendary. He drove an old Volvo for decades, flew economy class, and encouraged employees to use both sides of paper. By the 1970s, IKEA was expanding internationally. Kamprad's vision of democratic design, making good design accessible to everyone regardless of their wallet size, was resonating globally. The company's success wasn't just about cheap furniture. It was about empowering people to create beautiful homes without breaking the bank. Today, IKEA operates over 400 stores in more than 50 countries, serving millions of customers annually. The company that started with a teenage farm boy selling matches has become synonymous with affordable, stylish home furnishing worldwide. Ingvar Kamprad's story proves that your background doesn't determine your destination. From selling matches as a child to building a global empire, his journey reminds us that the biggest opportunities often hide in the problems everyone else ignores. He didn't just build a furniture company. He democratized good design and changed how the world thinks about home furnishing. What's your takeaway from Kamprad's incredible journey? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if this story of determination and innovation inspired you, smash that like button and subscribe to Fuel of Hustlers for more incredible success stories that will ignite your entrepreneurial spirit. Until next time, keep hustling and remember, every empire starts with a single step.